Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of Huawei's latest smartphone offerings, the Pura 70 Ultra and the Pura 70 Plus. These phones are making waves in the tech community, and for good reason. Huawei has really stepped up their game, packing these devices with impressive features and top-notch specs. The Pura 70 Ultra is Huawei's top-of-the-line offering, boasting cutting-edge technology and premium design. It's aimed at users who demand the absolute best and are willing to pay a premium for it. Think of it as the phone for tech enthusiasts and professionals who need a powerful and reliable companion. On the other hand, the Pura 70 Plus is positioned as a more affordable flagship, offering a balance between high-end features and a more accessible price point. It's perfect for users who want a premium smartphone experience without breaking the bank. Both phones promise a lot, from stunning camera capabilities to long-lasting battery life. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's take a closer look and find out. Right off the bat, both phones impress with their sleek designs and vibrant displays. The Pura 70 Ultra boasts a slightly larger 6.8-inch AMOLED screen, while the Pura 70 Plus comes in at a still generous 6.6 inches. Both displays offer stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, both phones are powered by Huawei's latest Kirin processor, ensuring blazing fast performance and efficient power consumption. The Ultra, however, gets a slight edge with a higher clock speed and more RAM, making it a multitasking monster. Storage options are generous on both models, starting at 256 GB and going up to a whopping 1 TB for power users. Both phones also feature 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring you're future-proofed for the latest wireless technologies. One of the most significant differences between the two phones lies in their camera systems. The Pura 70 Ultra boasts a triple camera setup with a massive 108MP primary sensor, a 40MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP periscope telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom. The Pura 70 Plus, while still impressive, features a slightly less ambitious camera system. It sports a 64MP primary sensor, a 16MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. In practice, both phones capture stunning photos and videos in various lighting conditions. The Ultra's larger sensor and higher resolution lenses give it an edge in detail and low-light performance. However, the Plus's camera system is no slouch and will satisfy most users' needs. Section 4. Powering through your day battery and performance. Battery life is crucial in today's smartphone world, and both the Pura 70 Ultra and the Pura 70 Plus deliver. The Ultra packs a beefy 5,000 mAh battery, while the Plus comes in slightly smaller at 4,800 mAh. In real-world usage, both phones easily last a full day of moderate to heavy use. The Ultra's larger battery does give it a slight edge, especially for power users who constantly push their phones to the limit. When it comes to charging, both phones support Huawei's supercharged technology. The Ultra boasts an impressive 100-watt wired charging, while the Plus comes in at a still respectable 66 watts. Both phones also support fast wireless charging, making topping up your battery a breeze. Section 5. Design philosophy, aesthetics and practicality. Moving on to the design, both the Pura 70 Ultra and the Pura 70 Plus exude a premium look and feel. The Ultra, with its slightly larger size and curved display, feels more substantial and luxurious in hand. The Plus, while not as flashy, offers a more understated elegance with its flat display and slimmer profile. Both phones are crafted from high-quality materials, with the Ultra featuring a glass back and the Plus sporting a frosted glass finish that resists fingerprints. One notable difference is the placement of the front-facing camera. The Ultra opts for a subtle under-display camera, providing an uninterrupted full-screen experience. The Plus, on the other hand, features a small punch hole cutout in the center of the display, which is still relatively unobtrusive. Section 6. Which Pura is for you? So which Huawei Pura 70 phone is right for you? If you're a tech enthusiast or a professional who demands the absolute best and doesn't mind paying a premium, the Pura 70 Ultra is the clear winner. Its top-of-the-line specs, stunning camera system, and long-lasting battery make it a true flagship in every sense of the word. However, If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that still offers a premium smartphone experience, the Pura 70 Plus is an excellent choice. It delivers impressive performance, a great camera, and a sleek design at a more accessible price point. Ultimately, the best phone for you depends on your individual needs and budget. Both the Pura 70 Ultra and the Pura 70 Plus are fantastic devices that showcase Huawei's commitment to innovation and delivering exceptional user experiences.